Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Last week, Saudi Arabia's medtech landscape sent a clear signal to global manufacturers. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, released updated guidance documents that strengthen preferences for locally manufactured medical devices in government tenders. This move is a direct acceleration of the kingdom's Vision 2030 initiative. It aims to build a self-sufficient domestic healthcare industry. For international firms, this means the old model of simply shipping products into the region is becoming obsolete. The SFDA is no longer just a regulator. It is now an enabler of national industrial strategy. This shift is creating significant entry barriers for companies unprepared for this new reality. The practical implications are already being felt. We are seeing Tier 2 and Tier 3 devices, such as specialized consumables and diagnostic kits, being prioritized for local production. A European diagnostics company, for instance, recently found its tender application sidelined in favor of a new local joint venture, despite having a technically superior product. The challenge is not merely about setting up a factory. It involves navigating complex foreign investment laws, securing a reliable local partner who understands quality management systems like ISO 13485, and transferring proprietary technology securely. Companies must now weigh the high cost of localizing their operations against the risk of losing access to one of the largest and fastest-growing markets in the MENA region. However, this challenge presents a massive opportunity for strategic players. Companies that embrace localization are gaining a powerful competitive advantage. By establishing a manufacturing or assembly presence in the kingdom, they gain preferential access to multi-billion-dollar government contracts. They also benefit from a favorable regulatory pathway and can use Saudi Arabia as a duty-free export hub to the wider GCC and African markets. The key is to view this not as a regulatory hurdle, but as a strategic imperative. The question is no longer if you should localize, but how you can create a localized strategy that aligns with the kingdom's vision while protecting your own commercial interests. This requires deep, on-the-ground expertise and a forward-thinking approach to market access. Navigating these complexities is where having the right partner becomes critical. For more insights on developing your market access strategy in Saudi Arabia and the broader MENA region, you can email us or visit Pure Global online.